Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Al Zabibi, NPM 2441218 from class counting 248. Today I will explain material about inventory valuation methods. What is mechanist inventory? Mechanist inventory or inventory is an asset consisting of goods owned by a company for resale in the course of its primary business activities. This inventory includes items purchased from suppliers that have not yet been sold and are ready for marketing. In accounting, inventory is one of the largest current assets on the balance sheet, influencing the income statement through the cost of goods sold, or COGS. Types of inventory. A. Trading companies. Trading companies generally have one main type of inventory. Organic inventory is goods purchased for resale without further processing. B. Manufacturing companies. Manufacturing companies typically have three different types of inventory. First, raw material is material that will be used in the production process. Second, work in process or WIP, goods that are still being processed. And third, finished goods is completed product ready for sale. Inventory recording system. A. Periodic inventory system. In this system, companies do not record its inventory transaction directly. Forecasts are recorded in a cash account, and ending inventory is determined by physical count at the end of the accounting period. Characteristic is 1. Beginning inventory is taken from the previous period. 2. COGS is calculated at the end of the period using the formula cost of goods sold amount. Beginning inventory plus purchases ending inventory. Advantage is simple and is easy to apply. Disadvantage is inventory cannot be monitored in real time. B. Perpetual inventory system. Under this system, every purchase and sale is recorded directly in the inventory account. Thus, the inventory balance is always up to date. Characteristic 1. The inventory account reflects the current quantity and cost at any time. 2. Physical count is only done for verification. Advantage is provides real-time inventory information. Disadvantage is requires a more complex and costly system. Inventory valuation. Inventory valuation is performed to determine the value of ending inventory in the balance sheet and the COGS in the income statement. The value is determined based on the cost flow assumption caused by the company. There are several primary cost flow methods used in intermediate accounting. Inventory valuation method or cost flow method. There is a four. Number one is FIFO or first in first out method. Second, LIFO or less in first out method. Third, average cost method. And fourth, specific identification method. FIFO or first in first out method. FIFO assumes that the goods purchased first are the unsold first. Therefore, the ending inventory consists of the most recently purchased goods. Characteristic is 1. Ending inventory reflect the latest purchase price. 2. Commonly used for goods with expiration dates. COGS calculation is the earliest forecast or assessed as the first unit sold. Advantage is ending inventory is close to current market price, simple and logical for most retail operations. Disadvantage is during inflation, COGS is lower, higher net income. LIFO or less in first out method. LIFO assumes that the goods forecast less are sold first. Therefore, the ending inventory consists of the oldest goods. Characteristics is 1. Ending inventory reflects order price. 2. COGS reflects more recent cost. Advantage is first in times of inflation, result in higher COGS and lower taxable income. Second, protects companies from the effect of rising price disadvantage. First, ending inventory is undervalued compared to current price, and the second, not allowed under IFRS and PSAK standard. Average cost method. This method uses an average cost per unit to determine what COGS and ending inventory. Each time an average cost occurs, a name makes average cost in calculus. Types of average method is first, simple average. Calculate the average cost price without considering quantities. The formula of simple average is average price among total of unit price be divided number of purchase. 2. Weight average considers the number of unit purchased at each price. Advantage first produces stable result. Second, easy to apply in computerized science. Disadvantage first does not always reflect the most recent cost. Specific identification method. This method tracks the actual cost of a specific item sold and remaining in inventory. Best way to form is 1. High value or unique items such as second, automobiles, jewelry, artworks, or specialized machinery. Advantage 1. Most accurate because it uses actual car per unit. Disadvantage is inefficient for larger or homogeneous inventories. Effect of inventory method on financial statements. 1. Cost of goods sold or COGS. 2. Gross profit. 3. Net income. 4. Current asset or ending inventory. And 5. Income tax. Example. During inflation, people lower COGS, higher profit, higher tax. Therefore, higher COGS, lower profit, lower taxes. Therefore, companies must carefully choose to method that best aligns with their financial reporting objectives and economic conditions. Inventory write-downs. Inventory write-down occurs where the NRF is lower than the cost, usually due to first, damage or obsolescence, second, market price declines, and third, decrease in demand. Inventory is often a high-risk area in audits because of potential errors or manipulation. Therefore, companies must establish strong internal control systems such as 1. Accurate recording of orders and sales. 2. Periodic physical count or stock opening. 3. Separation of duties among receiving, storage, and accounting. 4. Monitoring of damaged and returned goods. And 5. Use of barcode system or inventory software. Comparison between periodic and perpetual system. Aspect periodic system perpetual. There is one recording at the end of the period continuously updated. And second, account used per cost account directly to inventory. Stock information, not real time. Stock information, cost table, allow, not real time, high, small business, real time, routes of modern firms. Importance of inventory management. Impact of method choice on financial analysis inventories and financial analysis pay close attention to inventory valuation methods because they influence key financial ratios such as 1. Gross profit margin or GPM, second, current ratio, and third, inventory turnover ratio. Change in methods can affect profit trends across periods. Therefore, companies must remain consistent in using one method to ensure comparability across periods. Conclusion: merchandise inventory plays a vital role in intermediate financial accounting because it directly affects current assets, cost of goods sold, and company profit. Considering inventory valuation methods should consider economical efficiency, reporting objective, and compliance with accounting standard or WSAK 14. With a solid understanding of inventory methods and accounting treatment, companies can produce financial statements that are accurate, relevant, and trustworthy for stakeholders. That's my presentation. If there are any mistakes in the words, please forgive me. I end it here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.